This is Janet Freeman-Daily for LCSM Chat, and I'm here at the Patient Advocate Reception at the IASLC World Conference on Lung Cancer for 2016. And we're just going to walk around the room and ask patients and advocates what they like most about this conference. So here's Lillian Lee. Lillian, what is the part of this conference that you are looking forward to the most?
Meeting wonderful patients like Janet, because yeah, she's amazing. 2 years ago when I was diagnosed, the fact that knowing that Janet existed and that she had similar things to me was, it made me feel less alone, and that was my highlight actually. So it happened this morning.
Thank you. Yeah, it was great. We knew each other online, but we never met. So that was great. Thank you, Lillian. I'm going to grab you here. So this is Anne-Marie, and you are live on Facebook with me. As an advocate for patients and a lung cancer researcher, what are you looking forward to most for this conference?
What I'm looking forward to most is meeting patients just like you, Janet, and finding out the latest developments in lung cancer, engaging with all the scientists, clinicians, patient advocates, because it's great to have a meeting when there's such a broad base of people that you can meet and talk to, and it's all about networking, engaging, and making things better for lung cancer patients. And thank you for all that you do, Janet.
Thank you. Thanks for being caught unawares. So we're going to walk over here, and I'm going to borrow Kim for just a moment. We are on Facebook Live.
Oh, hi. Hi, Facebook world.
With Kim Norris from Lung Cancer Foundation of America. And Kim, we're asking patients and advocates, what are you looking forward to most about this conference?
Well, what's happening right now, obviously the networking with fabulous people like yourself and the researchers. So I like to personally hang out with the researchers so I can find out what's really going on and what the latest is. I've already decided that last year what I noticed is if I mentioned blood biopsies, people would say, no. Now blood biopsies are the hot thing. The other thing is last year immunotherapy was a hot thing, right? Yeah. What's the hot thing this year is combination therapies. Yes. Combination of immunotherapy with chemotherapy, with targeted therapy, and what's happening there. So the question is, what will be the hot thing next year?
Thank you very much. And I honestly have not paid any of these people to say that they're looking forward to meeting me.
No, but she just pulls us in. She's good at that.
Thank you, Kim. Okay. Come over here. Stephen, I'm going to grab you. This is Stephen Young, who's the executive director of Alchemy, and I'm wandering around on Facebook Live.
Hi, here.
Asking people what they are looking forward to most about this conference.
Not having as many meetings as ASCO, which is great. That means I can go to some of the science sessions. And the usual, we're getting the investigators working together in a patient-centric manner, and that's what we do. We do those kinds of studies. So I think also what's unique about this particular meeting is we have international meetings, but many of the Europeans don't actually come to all of them, and this one is in their backyard. So I think it will be really an expansion, and maybe perhaps Eastern Europe and some of these other regions that we're not working with right now.
Thank you very much, Stephen.
Okay, pleasure.
Thank you. One around here. So I am here with Becky Bond from IASLC.
Taping on camera.
We're on Facebook Live, and I'm wandering around the room asking people what they're looking forward to most about this meeting.
Well, as an IASLC staff member, I love being at meetings to meet with all of our members. I love the doctors, I love the nurses, I love the advocates, I love the patients. It justifies our job. It makes our job exciting. It makes it worthwhile. You realize why you're doing what you're doing. So that's the best part for me. Of course, being in Austria, listening to the sessions, having great press conferences, none of that hurts. So thank you.
Thank you very much. Yeah. Okay. So this is Janet Freeman-Daily signing off on Facebook Live.